There is a new twist unfolding in the legal battle over Silent Sam. A group of alumni and donors is asking a judge to throw out the deal he approved between UNC and the Sons of Confederate Veterans.
WRAL Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie live now in Raleigh with the reason critics say there is no legal basis for this. Laura?
Catherine, ever since this all started in November, the Sons of Confederate Veterans have said they had the right to enter that settlement over Silent Sam because they own the statue. Well, in that new filing this week, the opponents of that $2.5 million deal say that is not true, and historical experts agree. The Sons of Confederate Veterans says their group owns the Silent Sam monument. They say it was given to them by another group, the United Daughters of the Confederacy, which they say was the statue's original owner. However, retired UNC historian Cecilia Moore told the court this week that historical records show it was the university that bought it, and university donors mostly paid for it.
So they try to raise the money.
Professor Adam Dombey agrees. He's the leading expert on Silent Sam's history. He says UNC's own archives don't leave much room for doubt. In 1911, the United Daughters of the Confederacy approached UNC President Francis Venable about erecting a monument on campus. But Dombey says the group couldn't pay for it.
They explicitly did not want the financial responsibility of offering to buy this thing. They wanted the university to buy it for them. And they were happy to provide some of the donations, but they did not want the legal responsibility of signing the contract with the sculptors.
In the end, it was Venable who signed the contract for the statue. That's his signature. The women's group agreed to pay for a third of it, but fell short, leaving Venable to pay a large sum out of his own pocket.
He's the one that purchases it. And I'm pretty sure that Francis Venable, being male, was not a member of the United Daughters of the Confederacy.
If the UDC did not own Silent Sam, the new filing says they could not give it to the Sons of Confederate Veterans. So the lawsuit and the deal should be thrown out. The attorney for the Sons of Confederate Veterans told us they believe they do have a plausible claim on the statue, but did not supply further details. Orange County Judge Allen Baddour is scheduled to hear arguments on the deal in a couple of weeks. He is the same judge who signed off on this deal before it was made public in November. He agreed to go back and review it after a legal challenge.